So in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram. There was a problem with your request easily and fast. So all what you want to do is just go to the settings and open the apps manager. When you open the apps, click on Instagram, click on force stop, click on storage, click on clear data, click delete, go back, click on the power usage details and disable the power consumption alert. Go back again, and now you have to open the Play Store, search for Instagram and update it. That's it guys, the problem must be solved right now. If it's not solved, then you may have a problem in your network, so please check your network. And the last thing you want to do or try is restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.